Okay, our next problem that we're going to work on is the problem about Landry. So Landry buys a box of peanuts at the store. Okay. He eats 1/2 cup of the peanuts a day. If there are 3 cups of peanuts in the box, how many days will the box last him? So let's think. What could represent the 3 cups of peanuts in the box?
Okay, I'm going to use my red fraction strips. 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups.
Okay. How could you show that he eats 1/2 cup of peanuts a day?
This is a half. So that's 1. And the next day, until he's finished all the peanuts.
Okay. So how many cups of peanuts are in the box?
There are 3 cups.
How many halves are in one?
2 halves.
How many halves are in 2?
4.
How many halves are in 3?
6.
How many days will the box last him?
6 days.
How do you know?
Because each of these represents a half of the cup, and it took 6 of them, 6 days for him to eat all 3 cups.
Okay, nice job. Okay, so let's look at another one. So this time we're going to use the holes. All right. But this time we're only going to have 2 holes. Okay. So our story problem this time says that Miss Smith has 2 yards of ribbon. So we have 1 yard, 2 yards of ribbon. So whenever we're looking at that, sometimes it helps to label that. So we have 1 yard right here, and we have another yard right here. Okay, so now Miss Smith is putting ribbon around picture frame. She has 2 yards of ribbon, and each picture needs 1/4 yard of ribbon. So we're going to see how many fourths it takes her. So we have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4. So now we're looking at this as 1/4. So we're going to say that we know there's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. So since we know 1 yard is the same as 4/4, we know that 2 yards is the same as 8/4. So I know that there are 4/4 in 1 hole, so there are 8/4 in 2 holes. Miss Smith can decorate 8 picture frames.